Okay, so today I'm going to be trying to use my lathe to round out these circles that I made from insulation foam. This is part of the main body of the ice cannon that I'll be making. Okay, and I'm going to start off with a spindle gouge just to get most of the chunks out. Let's start this up. Let's see if this even works. Okay, so my main goal for using this is to make it all nice and even. As you can tell right now, it's pretty uneven and kind of wobbly looking. So I'm not gonna go too fast. I don't want to end up taking off way too much than I want. So I'll just be going back and forth until I round it out nicely. And as you can see, it's making quite a bit of a mess. Let me increase the RPMs a bit. So I'm just going to keep going at it like this until we get it. This will take a few more passes, so I'll resume the video once it's shaved down a bit more. Okay, so now it's been rounded down quite a bit more. I still have this side to do, but that's not too much trouble. This didn't really take too long, maybe just a couple minutes. Now I'm going to be using my skew chisel to finish off this little bit over here that I need to do. It's not completely perfect, but it's pretty close to what I want. I'll be smoothing it out a bit more with a little sanding. But this got the general smooth shape that I was wanting. It's not all jaggy like these ones. So that covers this part on using a lathe to help round out insulation foam.